Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can share screen in Messenger. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Messenger and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find the chats section, people, and right here, you're gonna find stories. So right now, I'm going to go back to chats. And then once you go to chats, right here, you're going to find all of your conversations. And here in the top, as you can see, guys, you're going to find your notes and also your friends' notes. So basically, guys, once you're here, for example, I'm going to click on a conversation, for example, this one. And then, as you can see, guys, once you're here in the conversation, here in the bottom, you're going to find all of the options. From here, you can send a message, you can send an emoji or sticker or GIF. Here, you can send a like. Right here, you can send a voice message, an image. You can open the camera or you can send your location. As you can see, guys, right here, there is no option to share your screen live in Messenger. So basically, guys, the only way to share a picture of your screen is to take a screenshot or record your screen if you want. So I'm going to take a screenshot, for example, and then once you take your screenshot, just go ahead and click on the option here in the bottom to send an image. So right now I'm gonna click right here, and then here you're gonna find all of your images. So right now I'm gonna click on this one, click on send, and as you can see guys, this is how you can send your screen on Messenger. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.